A SmartPig is a funny name, but it's a significant technology as PG&E works to make sure that its gas transmission system is safe. Inline inspection tools are commonly called SmartPigs. That's because they scurry down pipelines looking for defects or signs of weakness. They rely on magnetic sensors, expandable fingers, and GPS mapping data to do their job. Jesus Soto Jr., PG&E's Senior Vice President of Gas Transmission Operations, is new to the company, but has years of experience working with SmartPigs.
I've been involved with inline inspection programs for many years, from making the physical modifications to the pipeline system to accommodate inline inspection tools, to also leading an organization that ran the tool and did the follow-up work from the inspection data to include making repairs or conducting pipeline replacements.
PII Pipeline Solutions is working with PG&E on using these state-of-the-art inspection tools. PII is a joint venture of GE Oil and Gas and Al Shaheen. One such SmartPig is 14 feet long and weighs nearly 2,000 pounds.
What you see here is our 24-inch by 31-inch Smart Scan tool. This means it can expand and contract and measure between 24-inch and 31-inch pipe. This tool actually go down to 22 inches in diameter and be able to traverse it. It's a free swimming tool, which means there's no umbilicals. Everything is housed within all the pressure vessels of this tool, all the batteries, all the recorders. So once we insert it, it runs on its own, but it actually runs by differential pressure. So this first section you see here is called the drive section. And the drive section seals the tool within the pipeline. And what will happen is the pressure will build up behind the cups, and you'll have a lower pressure in front of the cups, and it pulls the tool along the pipeline. So it's actually pulling the tool through the product within the pipeline. The next two sections are actually our corrosion sensors. These bars here are magnets, north and south poles, and it creates a circuit. These are sensor fingers in between, and the whole technology works with magnetic flux leakage. You have magnets, they magnetize the pipe wall, creates a circuit. If you have good pipe, the circuit continues. If you have a corrosion defect, you're going to have a breakage in the magnetic flux, and you have leakage. These sensors pick up that leakage and stores it within the tool. These sensors in the back are what we call IDOD, internal or external discrimination. And basically what happens here is that if there's any magnetism picked up, we can tell, residual magnetism picked up, we can tell if the defect is inside the pipe or outside the pipe, on the exterior or the interior.
At a recent media event at PG&E's Milpitas gas terminal, 2 SmartPigs were on display. Using such technology is good for public safety, says the head of the city's fire department. So is coordination between first responders and PG&E.
So the technology that's in place, being proactive with the utility of that technology, allows us to plan and to ensure that we have a process in place in the event there is a significant incident in the community. And it's just all about the enhanced levels of collaborative public safety.
Using SmartPigs to inspect gas lines is important. PG&E will inspect more than 200 miles of pipelines this year with the technology. And the company is doing more to make its system safer, from replacing pipeline, to strength testing them with pressurized water, to adding automated valves.
When it comes to safety, we are never done, whether that's employee safety, contractor safety, or public safety. We have to use all available means of technology and infrastructure to be able to ensure that we operate our pipelines safely in those communities in which we traverse.
For Currents, I'm Matt Nauman.